Later, man.
Here, I'll give you the apps for the two of you, my card.
Thank you. I hope that woman doesn't put in her scary deposit.
Yeah, well, I've given her 3 opportunities to do that, and she has not come forward, so. But as I'm saying, if she comes this afternoon, then maybe I'll.
Unless we kill her.
Murder. I'll also take them out to the backyard, shoot the rest, and then we'll
Yeah, because I actually have a lease signing at 3, and I have to get stuff from the woman in North Carolina.
living room.
Print it out, so I'm kind of pressed for time at this point.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Just do
We'll hurry.
Hurry up.
Gazebo. Huge tool shed. Giant backyard. You do so many activities.
And laundry room's over there. Okay, bye.
Yeah.